Hello students of class 7. In this video I am going to continue with the Asia portion. So in this video I will describe about the drainage system of Asia. Okay, so drainage system means actually the river system of Asia. So mostly all the rivers of the Asia originates from the central mountain core region and the plateau region of Asia, and based on the level of ground they flow in different direction to meet their mouth. So but there are many rivers present in Asia which actually do not flow into any or do not meet any ocean or sea, but they drained themselves or they empty themselves into the lakes or some large water sources that are present inside the land or mainland of Asia, and we are calling them as the inland river, because all the river originates from the central mountain and plateau region, which is located mostly in the interior portion or central portion of this Asia. As a result, the rivers that are originating from this particular region has to travel a long distance to meet the sea or oceans. So based on that, the rivers can be categorized into 4 groups. Number 1 is the rivers flowing into the Arctic Ocean. Next, the rivers flowing into the Pacific Ocean. Next, the rivers flowing into the Indian Ocean. And number last is the rivers of inland drainage. Okay, so the rivers of Asia can be broadly categorized in these 4 groups. So group 1 group is the rivers that are flowing into the Arctic Ocean, that means the north flowing rivers. Okay, next the rivers flowing into the Pacific Ocean, that means east flowing rivers. Okay, next the rivers of the Indian Ocean flowing into the Indian Ocean, roughly we can say this is as the south or southeast flowing rivers. And next the rivers of the inland drainage means those rivers which are draining into the any lakes that are present on the mainland of Asia. So the example of a river which is flowing into the Arctic Ocean is Ob, Yenisei. Next, the rivers flowing into the Pacific Oceans are Wangho, then Yangtze Kiang. Next, the rivers flowing into the Indian Ocean is like Ganga, Indus. Next, the rivers of inland drainage is Luni. Now, let us see the major rivers of the Asia. So, number 1 is the Yangtze Kiang River, which is the longest river of Asia. Its source is in the Kunlun mountain on the plateau of Tibet, and its mouth is in the East China Sea. Next is the Yenisei River, whose source is in Cheyenne mountain and mouth is in Kara Sea, which is another name for this Yenisei Bay. Number 3 is the Wangho, whose source is same like Yangtze Kiang, that is Kunlun mountain, and the mouth is Yellow Sea. Next is the Ob. Source of Ob is Altai mountain and mouth is in Gulf of Ob. Next one is the Lena River, whose source is in Lake Baikal and mouth is Gulf of Tartary, which is near the Sea of Okhotsk. Stop. Next is the Brahmaputra. Source of Brahmaputra is Chemayungdang Glacier. Mouth is in Bay of Bengal. Number 8 is Indus. Source is Manas Sarovar. Mouth is in Arabian Sea. And the last one, that is Ganga. Source is Gangotri Glacier and mouth is Bay of Bengal. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next in the next video. Thank you everyone.